This is a 100 ampere CRM kit. To operate this, we will have to feed 230 volt AC supply into this through this cable. Basically, we measure the contact resistance of any equipment through this instrument. Now we will measure the contact resistance of a 33 kV isolator. Here is two terminal, one black and one is red. We will connect this two terminal with the isolator two terminal like this way. Now we will power on in this instrument, and after power on through this variac we will feed 100 ampere current into the isolator in between the two terminal of the isolator, and we will measure the contact resistance. So here it is showing 90 micro ohm. Basically, as per the standard, it should be below 100 micro ohm. If this is below 100 micro ohm, this is acceptable. And now it is showing only 90 or 91 micro ohm. So this is okay for our system. So connections once again and the reading once again. After measurement, we reduce the current, and after reducing the current, we will power off.